office for a busy day. The day just kind of got away from me. Like I was doing my freelance stuff and then it just took the whole day, but I finished that for my meeting tomorrow. And I got my passport photo taken because it's expiring, but it's just like really funny. Like I got my passport photo taken and I'm like, who is this woman? Like it just doesn't register in my brain that I'm an adult. And I looked at it, I was like, oh my God, like I've definitely aged in a good way. Like I like it. It's just seeing myself look like that compared to like my last passport photo, which was 10 years ago. I know it's like 10 years, but it just looked really funny. Is this what I look like? Like I just feel like this doesn't look like me. Maybe because I'm not smiling. I just look really mean and I don't know, whatever. She's cute. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna do some crafts tonight because I need, but I'll show you my setup. It's cute. I'm making clay magnets. This is my setup. I really like it. It's this table that like pulls out and then it goes in there when it's not being used. My little task light that I took from my desk over there, and then this is an egg carton that I'm using for my paint, and then these are some polymer clay magnets I made. This was the first one I made and it's supposed to be a tomato, so hopefully she'll look like one, and then I'm gonna try to fix this color for this pair, but I gotta work on those and some other ones, and that's my goal tonight. Good morning. It's not even morning, it's like 12. I have my 2 weeks off starting today, which is so great. I had a little bit of a mentee bee yesterday night, which was surprising because I definitely thought I was gonna be so happy, and then I think I've just been so stressed from work that it just all came down yesterday. But I was just feeling so like burnt out and I couldn't enjoy things that I wanted to do. Like I just completely was doom scrolling and watching TV, and I just didn't want to watch anything. But now I'm feeling a lot better. I like slept in and I was doing some budgeting this morning, had a really slow, chill morning, and now me and Stella are walking. Hi. But my goal today is to edit the YouTube video I filmed last week, my first one, and oh my God, and yeah, just have like a day to myself, maybe get a coffee somewhere, treat myself. Oh my God, it's so cold, it's like -6, but I'll just show you a little bit of my walk. In for my walk and I got a package from work. Thought we could unbox it together. Ooh. So cute. Okay, so this is the first thing. Let's get closer. It's like 52 prompt cards to ask your dinner party guests and friends, and this is perfect because I'm having some friends over tomorrow. So cute. Like, what gives you most pleasure in life? Definitely gonna play tomorrow. I think this is so cute. I would shout out to my job. And then I have another lip balm, which is really cute because I went to the spa recently and it smells good. I left my makeup bag there because I never do that, like lose stuff, but that happened. I like the color. Oh yeah. Cutie eye mask from Kip. Love her. Cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I chose this one, this box, because we had a choice between like board game or something else. I don't know, but these are lone candles and I love the packaging. Cute. Wow, and I think it even, yeah, it comes with matches. Love that. Oh my god, they smell so good. Let's see. Adorable. This is the other one, or other side. I don't know any of these star signs. What is this? Jura. I don't know. So cute though. I really like the box. Dun. And that's it. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use these. Just finished my meeting and it's like such a gorgeous day out. I'm gonna clean because I think it'll just make me feel a lot better to do things, and yeah, it's like nice enough that I can actually see the ground and clean up, so I'm gonna do that. I actually started learning how to walk properly when I worked at a boutique, and I have to do this every morning when I opened. Just life skills, you know? Just finished dinner and it was so yummy, but I'm gonna attempt to edit the rest of my video. Yeah, this is gonna be me for the rest of the night. Good morning. Good morning. It's not even morning, it's like 12. I slept really late yesterday because I was editing the video and it took me so much longer than expected. But I need to get my day going and finish doing all of that stuff and upload it. So I'm gonna put on some makeup and feel like a person and get the day started. Happy Friday. Another beautiful day. Good morning. The Saturday before Christmas, and I had a really fun night yesterday with my friends. Like two of my coworkers that came over, and I made them a big Korean dinner, so that was really fun. I didn't get to film much. I was a bit like shy, and it was so lovely. And then I gave each of them a magnet that I made for they got to choose one. And today I'm just going to feed my friend's cat because she's back at home in Newfoundland. So I'm gonna go over right now with my partner. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing my makeup and we'll skedaddle. All ready to go. I always love being the hostess because people Leave drinks. Hi, darling. I went to a really cute cafe while my boyfriend got a haircut today, and it's one that I've been meaning to go to in the Mile End for a while, so that was really nice. And I finished my first YouTube video, and I felt so proud because it just took me like 3 days to do it. Just like doom scrolling on TikTok forever because I felt so tired. But I'm having a little glass of wine in bed, and I think we're gonna go out for dinner. But yeah, I'm excited for the holidays. I just want to chill. Bye. Look who came to join us. Yeah, so I haven't left the house until, well, I'm getting ready to leave the house now. I'm gonna put on this lipstick that my friend made from Shu. Shout out to Ronald for being my makeup plug. And then this was like a $2 brush from the dollar store. But look how gorgeous this is. Like, he made this. So talented. Yeah, a little holiday lip. Disgusting. This is really cheap too. It's like, it just says eyeliner. Like, there's no brand. I don't even remember where I got this from, but anyways, I lost my makeup bag when I went to the spa, and this is how I do my eyeliner now, like this. Okay, can you even see this? I just draw it and it looks like really shitty, right? Really shitty. I use my finger and just swipe it, and then she's good, you know? Let me show you this highlighter. This is the, oh my god, highlighter that I use. I refuse to give up on her. She works. It's just she's broken. Like me. You shouldn't do your makeup when you've had a glass of wine because you just don't care anymore. Picking up pizza because I wanted to go feed my friend's cat, and we wanted to bring Stella, so saving money and also doing the errands. What are you guys eating? He walked away. Standoff. Tired from battling the cat? Here you go, my girl. god. Finally made it home. Had such a fun time walking around and checking out so many stores. This looks so crazy. But it worked.